Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on Indian Army. You can also write this content under the topic 10 lines on Indian Army. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. The land-based branch of the Indian Armed Forces is the Indian Army. Second line is, it is one of the largest and most formidable armies in the world. Third line is, it is responsible for safeguarding the nation's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Fourth line is, it plays a crucial role in maintaining internal security and defending the country against external threats. Fifth line is, it has a rich history and has participated in various wars and peacekeeping missions. Sixth line is, it is known for its valor and discipline. Next line, the soldiers of the Indian Army undergo rigorous training to prepare themselves for any challenges. Eighth line is the army is committed to upholding the values of integrity, loyalty, and selflessness. Ninth line is it provides assistance during natural disasters and humanitarian crises. Last line is the Indian Army is a symbol of national pride and serves as a source of inspiration for millions of Indians.